5-meter high falls with 2 adjacent mini falls located at the forested area of Mayantoc. Kalaw Falls is ideal for nature lovers and those who find thrill and adventure on ecotourism. Approximately 8.5 kilometers away from the town proper, it will take a 20-minute drive going to the reforestation area, passing barangays Karabawan and Kaukawayan, and a 45-minute trekking getting into the falls. Along the way, one will get amazed on the colorful display of different species of butterflies and dragonflies, and the abundance of exotic plants and ground orchids, as well as wildlife that abounds the area.
Welcome po dito sa pinagmamalaki naming Kalaw Falls sa bayan ng Mayantoc. Ito ay matatagpuan sa Sitio Kalaw ng Barangay San Jose. 6 na kilometro mula bayan at 45 minutes na lalakarin para marating itong Kalaw Falls na pinagmamalaki namin. Kung gusto nyo o kung mahilig kayo sa trekking, you are welcome. Maliban po sa Kalaw Falls na nakikita po natin ngayon dito sa Barangay San Jose sa Bayang Mayantoc, tayo rin po ay tutungol sa isang barangay pa at tinatawag pong Barangay ng Balan, kung saan matatagpuan po natin ang Magsaysay Dam. Ito po ay historical na lugar at kung saan dito rin po nagagaling ang patubig ng lahat ng bukid ng aming Bayang Mayantoc, maging ang bayan ng Kamiling at Santa Ignacia.
14-kilometer distance from the municipal hall and a 20-minute countryside car ride passing through Barangay Caldiapan will make visitors fall in love with the pristine blue water of Nambalan River. The area is ideal for those who want to forget the busy city life and enjoy the tranquility and beauty of the area. Families and group of friends will surely enjoy the refreshing clear water of the river. Freshwater small fishes called bia or bukto abounds the river. A delectable local delicacy called pinangat, a bia sauteed in garlic and ginger with small amount of water, then cooked in bamboo, is available for those who wish to try. Huts made of bamboo and dried coconut grass are available to accommodate visitors.
I've crossed deserts for miles, swallowing water for time, searching places to find a piece of something to call mine. A piece of something to call mine. Coming closer to you. Went around many moors, walked through many doors. The place where I wanna be is the place place I can call mine. There's no place I can call mine. I'm going, can you hear what I hear? It's calling you, my dear, out of reach. I can hear it calling you.
Naanyayahan po namin kayong pumasyal sa aming lugar para makita po ninyo ang malinis at magandang tanawin sa aming lugar.
Found along the way going to the grove is a community of wood carvers. Furnitures and other wood items are available for sale and made to orders. 15-minute drive from Nambalan Picnic Grove, water sports enthusiasts will definitely enjoy the exhilarating view of the 150 to 200 meter stretch of Nambalan Water Rapids. Strong currents will give adrenaline rush to those who will try the white water rafting and kayaking.